When you say Christmas or the holidays, sa ating mga Pinoys, we always equate it with the scent of bibingka and Puto Bumbong waiting outside the church during simbang gabi. But we all know that bibingka and Puto Bumbong are high in carbohydrates. So how can we enjoy these beloved Pinoy treats without the guilt? Well, I want you to enjoy bibingka and Puto Bumbong even if you are on the keto and low-carb lifestyle. Actually, everyone can enjoy what I have in store for you. So in this class, we will be making two types of Keto Bibingka, namely the Classic Bibingka and the Artisan Bibingka. The Keto Classic Bibingka is a fast and easy recipe that you can whip up in a flash. It's called classic in the sense that it is composed mainly of simple ingredients that mimics the regular bibingka being sold around commercially. You can make it into the regular 6-inch size or the small ones as shown in this recipe. The Keto Artisan Bibingka is an elevated take on the classic bibingka. In this recipe, I turned it into a souffle-like cake so that it's super soft and airy, and I already incorporated the cheese, in this case, cream cheese, so that the salty taste is already in the cake itself. I decided to top it with grated queso de bola instead of the usual cheddar cheese to give it that extra flavor, as well as a Chinese salted duck egg instead of the regular red salted egg, as it is more fatty and less salty. Then we have the Keto Puto Bumbong, which is so good with lots of butter, grated fresh coconut, and brown keto sweetener. But our festive Pinoy spread won't be complete without the iconic Tsokolate de Batirol. You guessed that right. Syempre, meron din tayong keto version yan. Promise, this is so good. Everybody will love this. The concept behind this class is to be able to share classic Pinoy delicacies that are usually high in carbohydrates by giving it a sugar-free spin. This way, people can enjoy these well-known Filipino treats without packing on the unwanted ingredients that can be detrimental to one's health. Check out Keto Bibingka at iba pa, only here at the Bailiwick Academy.